Build your business DNA, get campaign ideas and assets, generate a product photo shoot, create your brand book and website. Incredible. Let's go. Let's do my template website. Digitaljunctionlane.com. Hey, if you guys need a business website template for like car wash, like a carpet cleaning business, what else? Like a photographer portfolio, and check that website out. All right, anyways, continue. Analyzing the website, studying your brand values. Oh, there it is. Okay, here we are. Did a brand overview. So it's basically got my fonts for me. Tagline, launch faster, ship a site that looks like a custom build. That might be a good tagline. Brand values, empowerment, technical quality, brand and aesthetic, brand tone, voice. Let's go to the next one. Okay, your business DNA is ready. Campaign generate creatives for social media campaigns. Ah, interesting. Let's check that one out. Okay. Oh, let's check this one out. Oh, that is cool. That is cool, guys. Oh, you can even animate it. Let's see what the animation does. So if you're just starting off and you're still trying to figure out your brand and need some ideas, if you already have a basic website of your brand, then this would definitely be good. Okay, let's check out what the animation. What? That is awesome. Review asset photo shoot. Create a product photo shoot. Select an image. Well, since let's do this one right here. Ah, that's interesting. They just come out with like variation. I mean, the images are taken from the website, but it does edit parts of it. Let's do website. See what this one does. Well, yeah, it's gonna create a website, but I already have a website. But I guess this would be good if you're just starting out and need your site is built from your business DNA. So if you have the basic ideas of your business already, it will build website for you based on the ideas about the brand. All right, let's check out the actual website. This is my actual website. All right, let's go back, see if it's finished. Nope, need a little help. Okay. Ooh. All right, look at that. Shoot, almost looks as good as my website. I like the block right here. It's nice. And you can publish it too. Before you publish, that's cool. That is cool. Anyways, guys, this is Pomeli. Still under experiment. What else we got? So, oh wow, yeah. This website thing might be really interesting. All right. Anyways, check it out, guys. Check it out. It's on labs.google.com. Pomeli. I'll leave the link below.